Hey techies, it's Sia back with a hot new Mobile Munch review. Today, we are getting our hands on the just launched CMF Phone 1. This mid-range smartphone is turning heads with its unique look, a camera that promises to impress, and a focus on being eco-friendly. But with so many options out there, does it truly stand out? Stick around as we put the CMF Phone 1 through its paces to see if it's the real deal. Nothing CMF Phone 1 with big display. The CMF Phone 1 features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This display offers not only vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, but also a super responsive and fluid experience. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, you'll enjoy clear visuals even outdoors on a bright sunny day. Capable performance for everyday needs. The CMF Phone 1 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, a capable chipset for mid-range devices. Paired with up to 8GB of RAM, this combination should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks like browsing the web, social media, and using messaging apps. You can choose between 128GB or 256GB of storage, ensuring you have enough space for your apps, photos, and videos. While it might not be the most powerful phone on the market, it offers enough processing muscle for most users. Versatile camera system captures stunning photos and videos. The CMF Phone 1 boasts a dual camera system on the back. The main 50MP sensor with PDAF is designed to capture stunning photos and videos, especially in low light conditions. The 2MP depth sensor helps with portrait mode shots. On the front, a 16MP selfie camera ensures you look your best in video calls and selfies. Both the main and selfie cameras can record videos in up to 4K resolution at 30 FPS. Designed for the eco-conscious consumer. The CMF Phone 1 stands out with its unique design options, including a vegan leather back cover. This eco-friendly approach sets it apart from other smartphones in the market. The phone also features a user-replaceable back cover, allowing for customization and repair. All-day battery life with fast charging. The CMF Phone 1 packs a 5000 mAh battery, promising long battery life on a single charge for most users. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 33-watt wired fast charging. A unique mid-ranger with a focus on sustainability. With a starting price of around 15,999 rupees, the CMF Phone 1 offers a compelling package for users looking for a stylish and eco-conscious smartphone. The phone boasts a beautiful AMOLED display, a capable processor, and a long-lasting battery. While the camera system might not be top of the line, the unique design options and focus on sustainability make it stand out from the crowd. Is CMF Phone 1 is worth buying? Looking for a phone that not only looks good but also cares about the environment? The CMF Phone 1 might be worth considering 100%. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the CMF Phone 1. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.